Hyundai Elantra, 6th generation, rear bumper replacement. We offer you a quick guide for replacing the front bumper. We have illustrated the entire process step by step using clear schematic instructions. Wrap tools with protective tape, use plastic trim removers, and handle all panels carefully to avoid damage. Step 1. Gently remove the combination lamp cover. Step 2. Carefully disconnect the mounting nuts and unplug the rear combination lamp connector. Step 3. Slowly pull out the rear combination lamp. In the video description, you'll find a helpful link showing how to safely remove the front headlamp on a 6th generation Hyundai Elantra. Step 4. Loosen the clips and nuts, then take off the rear bumper retainer cover. Step 5. Loosen the bumper mounting bolts. Step 6. Unplug the rear bumper connector. Step 7. Remove the pin-type retainers and screws on both sides and gently detach the side sections. Take your time here to avoid damaging any tabs. Step 8. And finally, remove the rear bumper. For installation, simply follow the same steps in reverse. Make sure all connectors are fully secured and replace any clips that may be damaged. Disassembly of the rear bumper. Step 1. After removing the front bumper, as shown in the first part of the video, gently move on to the following steps. Step 2. Carefully disconnect the wiring harness for the rear bumper beam, marked as A. Step 3. Loosen the mounting bolts and slowly remove the smart key antenna. Step 4. Once the mounting clips are loosened, calmly lift and remove the rear bumper beam assembly. Step 5. To install everything back, simply reverse the steps. Take your time during reassembly. Make sure every connector is securely plugged in. Replace any clips or pin-type retainers that may be damaged. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you'd like to support our projects, you can also become a sponsor.